Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all a very easy recipe for Arabian rice. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. So to make this, we're starting in a large skillet and I'm adding in my butter. You'd want your heat to be on a medium for this. I'm also adding in some olive oil and one small onion finely chopped. In goes pimento peppers, or you can use green chilies, minced garlic, salt and black pepper. Next, the most important ingredient, this Zaatar seasoning. This is what's going to add that Arabian flavor to your rice. So add that in and give everything a good mix. We're going to allow this to cook until the onions are tender and slightly brown on the edges. Once your onions start to turn brown, you'll know that they're ready. Now we're going to add in our cooked rice. Now I'm using leftover rice from the day before. You'd want to make sure that your rice has been cooled down properly. And I'm using basmati rice here. Feel free to use any leftover rice you have on hand. And I'm just going to mix that together with those aromatics. Now if you wanted to put chicken in this, you can before you add the rice. Season with a little salt. And now I'm going to add in a few drops of food coloring, yellow, or you can use turmeric. If you're using turmeric, be very careful not to add it too much. You don't want this to get overly yellow. You just want that hint of yellow in the rice. And if you wanted to add some raisins to this recipe, of course you can. So toss that really well. Taste, adjust your salt. If you think you want some more of that Zaatar seasoning, you can add some more again. Top it with some chopped scallions, also known as saif in Trinidad. Just the green parts, and mix. That's it. Now it's ready to be served. How easy was that, guys? The main ingredient in this dish is the Zaatar seasoning, which is available from Caribbean Flavors and can be easily found throughout Trinidad. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Very simple and easy to make. Check your local supermarkets in Trinidad and Tobago to find this amazing seasoning. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.